So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got my Boxyluxe from Boxycharm. This box is humongous. So I guess I'm gonna show you guys the products that are in here, as well as be trying some of them out for you guys, because you know I'm pretty sure you guys want to see some of these products at work or whatever. But yeah, this box is huge, you guys. So this is the card, big old card. It says "'Tis the season," but like sea, sun. Actually, this makes perfect sense for Miami because we always have sun, even in winter, which kind of sucks because I actually love cold weather. I remember a few years back I went to New York, but since I'm not used to the cold weather, I got really sick. But I absolutely love it when it's cold here in Miami. So in the back, obviously it says all the stuff that I got and the prices. So in this box there should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. And wow, it's like pretty expensive stuff in here. So let's see what I got. So when I open the box, everything is like perfectly like put together. I kind of enjoy it. So this right here, oh, I'm sorry, there's 9 things in here. So this is a Crimes of Beauty wristlet and a portable charger, and it retails for $22. Oh, this is so cute. You could just put it in your wrist and just like walk around with it. I feel something inside, so I'm gonna like open it. I hope I don't break it. And then it comes with this thing in here. So I'm guessing this is a charger. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. It tells you what to do. So you oh, but wait. So the next thing we have in here is so this is called the Powder Room from Pretty Vulgar. And oh, it's a translucent setting powder. Oh, how cute. I have to say that the packaging is so freaking cute from freaking Pretty Vulgar. This is a cute little powder puff. And you know, I did conceal. Oh, how adorable. So I guess you can use it like that. And then so we're gonna use this later. I'm gonna just, you know, show you guys what's in here right now. So this powder from Pretty Vulgar retails for $32. And that's pretty cool. I see a palette and it says Protege. So what is this? Let's see. Oh, so it is. It's an eyeshadow palette. And there it is, some pretty useful colors. Some really pretty colors. So this is the Suva Beauty Protege palette. It retails for $34. Oh, this is so cute. And then there's a Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. I actually love this brand, and I own one of their eyeshadow palettes already. It's like super glittery, but it comes with like this really beautiful aqua blue color that I absolutely love. And this retails for $45. So here it is. This is the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, and it is called the Pro HG palette, which retails for $45. I really like the packaging. Oh, I am definitely gonna use this eyeshadow palette like a lot. Actually, I think this is the one I'm gonna do the demonstration with. But it has a really big mirror too. Like, I love this. This is wow. This stunned me like a lot. So 2 things here, and this is, oh, this packaging is like really good. I think it's metal. Okay, so this is a Grande Mascara Lash Volumizing Mascara, which we're gonna give that one a try as well. And then in here we have a Tarte's Shimmering Lip Paint in the color Insta Famous. So I don't think I mentioned the mascara, but the mascara retails for, where is it? Where are you, mascara? It retails for $25, and this retails for $20. So this is a glitter lip paint. Oh, oh, this is pretty. I love glossy lip glosses. You don't understand. Okay, so what's next in here? So this is the all-in-one treatment body wash buffer. And is this a sponge? Like, oh my god, it smells amazing. So it's a sponge and it retails for $20. Oh wow, what does this do? So this is a body wash infused buffer. Will cleanse and exfoliate, massage, and nourish your skin. It is multi-use, dermatology tested, and formulated with extra of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. All I know is that it smells amazing. The next thing in here is a Pro Collagen Marine cream. So I'm guessing this is so it says apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. Okay. So I'm guessing it's like a moisturizer. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. Comes with a little spatula. And this retails for $89. Holy cow. I mean, it smells really good. I haven't put moisturizer today, so let's on and see what happens. Hopefully I don't break out because I'm like really allergic to life. Oh, but it smells amazing. So far, it hasn't like burned or anything. Sometimes I have that problem like immediately when I put some moisturizers on. You know, it happens to me a lot with the Tarte H2O. But this feels refreshing. My face isn't getting red, so that's good. And for $89, I'm gonna use this very lightly. But wow, so that's pretty cool. And then the last thing in here is the Luxie Complete Face brushes. Oh wow, there's a lot of brushes in here. This is a complete face set, and it retails for $65. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It comes with a round top blender, tapered highlighting, pro precision tapered blending, eye shading, a flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. So I really like this. You know what? It's so pretty. I don't even want to take it out the box. Look, I guess if you want to like gift it to somebody, you could just do this. Oh, this is cute. Like, I love this. But we're gonna open it because Lord knows I love brushes. Comes with a little stand. Oh, I get it. Look, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna leave it like that. So now we're gonna get to the fun part of the video where I'm gonna show you guys how these products work. I guess I'm gonna attempt to. But this is super cute. I'm super excited. I think about this the most. I know, darky, but whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys how this is gonna work because I will get kicked off of YouTube if I expose myself that way. So let's see. So I've already, you know, done my eyebrows, primed my lids, So we're gonna go in first with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Violet Voss Pro Shadow. And this is the tapered blending brush. And I'm gonna go in with, I guess let's go in with the one called Transition. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this section right here. I felt like I was applying the shadow and it wasn't really showing up. Probably because it was kind of almost the same color as my, you know, skin complexion. Now I'm gonna go in with brownie points, and I'm gonna get a smaller brush for that one. So here I am with the second shade, trying to figure it out, and I am getting frustrated because it is not working out for me. So right here I decided, hey, let me go a different route, and I start packing on the color. I noticed that as I pack on the color, it is working out for me. So basically with this palette, you have to first pack on the color and then blend it out. So right now I'm just gonna pack on the shimmer with my finger because that's what I like to do. I feel like it works best for me. Now we're gonna go in with the mascara. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I will be right back. Now that I have concealed under my eyes, I'm gonna use the Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder. Let's start. How do I use it with the sponge? I mean, with the little puffer thingy. Whoa, well, that came out. Shit. Okay. This is really fine, and like, it's not too, I don't know, weird. I'm gonna bronze my face. I guess I'm gonna use this one, the Luxie Pro Precision bronzing thingy. I don't know where half of my makeup is, I swear to God. Okay, so I'm gonna use the bronzer. Oh. I think that this would be really good for like cream, you know, the contouring cream. I have this MAC blush that I got from, I think, Boxycharm. It's called Cosmic Force Blush, but I don't think it's gonna show up on my face. Let's see. I like really pink blushes. But I guess this is good when you want like a natural little, you know, blush thing. Now we're gonna go in with the, I guess let's use the eye shader brush. And I'm gonna put some of Teddy Bear underneath. Now we're gonna use a highlighter taper brush, and I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Amazing highlighter. I have used this so much and I still haven't hit pan. I don't understand how. It's like a never-ending highlighter, but I'm not complaining, guys. Oh, wow. We're gonna go in with the Tarteist Glitter Lip Paint in Insta Famous. So I have to say that I did enjoy the Boxyluxe this month. I know that a lot of people were like a little disappointed, especially the people that got the little iron. I am really happy I didn't get the iron. I'm just being honest. But I really enjoyed this month's box. This palette was a little hard to work with, but once you kind of learned how to use it, it was pretty easy from there because the blending, it blends out pretty smoothly. I figured out that you basically have to pack on the color first and then blend. So that was pretty cool for me. This palette I wasn't able to use, but I think I might in another video. So I'm really excited for this. This is super cute. And I think out of everything, my favorite things were the brush set and the translucent setting powder, even though I do have like a bunch. But Laura Mercier is expensive as hell. And Pretty Vulgar, let me see how much that loose setting powder was. Well, it's the same price, $32. But so it's good to have setting powders because yo, them things are expensive for some powders. I mean, I usually like the air spun, but for some reason I've been leaning towards, I guess because you know I'm getting older. I'm 33 years old, and my skin is really dry lately, and it doesn't do well with those really thick setting powders lately. So I have been going with the really fine milled setting powders, and I'm really happy. So that is it. This is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to do a little something different, something fun, something exciting. And see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. So bye-bye guys, till next time.